Hello everybody, today is another unboxing day. Yes, we're going to unbox something. This one, this is from the generous people at FinalPress, and they gave me a portable coffee maker, and let's see, check out what's inside. And I heard that this is an easy to use item, can be used anywhere, anytime. So let us see what's inside. Once again, this is a coffee maker. Dun, 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 dun. This is very light, so the term portable coffee maker is just fitting for this item. So this is the maker of this portable coffee maker, FinalPress. See that? Press the plunger to brew coffee and tea anywhere. So anywhere, this is portable, even if you travel, or even if you go hiking, or go to the beach. This is going to be an very cute, very small. So let's see what are the other components. So we have, I think this is the lid. Very small. So stainless steel. This is stainless steel. Yeah. So all you need to do is to put the ground coffee here, and then cover it. So there is a protector here. So this is what it looks like here. There are very tiny hole, so all you need to do is to put this in a glass of hot water or cold water if you want, and then, as I said, all you need to do is to put like 1 or 2 spoon of ground coffee, and then cover it, and then just put this into a glass of hot water, shake it, and then just press to extract the coffee flavor and the coffee aroma, and that's it. I have seen a similar product, similar to this one on Shopee, but be careful, because when it comes to the prices, those were way lower compared to this. This one is coming from all the way from what's this? The package also comes with a brochure or instructional manual. So this is good for both hot and cold brewing. All you need to do, one is to put 2 to 3 tablespoons of coffee, ground coffee, and then screw the filter back. This one, cover it. This one back onto the plunger, and then number 3, slowly add hot water into the cup And number 4, slowly stir. Just have to stir it around for like 20 times, and then hold the top yellow part, this one, and leave for 2 minutes, and then stir 20 more times for a strong cup of coffee. So preparing coffee has never been this easy, guys. No? Again, this is the product. The name of the product is FinalPress. No? So I will try this one, and I will show you the way to use this one, and I will make a cup of coffee out of my new baby. This is my coffee. Drinking coffee is one of my favorite things to do. A very fitting gift given to me. That is given to me. So what's this one? I think this is for a cover, or a glass cover. I'm not sure what to do with that one. Oh, this one for cold brew. This one, add room temperature water to the jar, tighten the lid, this one, through FinalPress, and refrigerate overnight. Stir and press the plunger before drinking. So yeah, that's all for this unboxing episode. So again, this is for a portable coffee maker called FinalPress. The name of the brand is FinalPress. You can do a research about this online. You can search this product online and check out what are the features, because there might be features that I forgot to mention. So if you're interested with this one, I will put the link to the product where you can buy online, where you can buy this item online. I will put the link. That's all for this unboxing episode. Thank you very much, guys.